Hello and welcome to yet another episode of 1064 fixed point problem, and this is an easy problem and very interesting problem as well. We're given an integer array of integers where if array of I is equal to I, then probably return I, and if it's not found in the array, then return -1. So how do you go about solving this problem? One of the easy approach is using binary search, and so let's understand how to get started with that. So in a binary search, what are the steps we need to have is I have a start and I have an end. Start will be like the 0th index, and end will be the absolute last index, right? So let me initialize that first. I have an end which is my array dot length. Many questions, understanding the question is very tricky, but I guess in this one, understanding the question is not so complicated. If array of I equals I, so index and the value both matches wherever, then you found the match. Otherwise, you did not find the match, right? And I don't have to go over all the elements, which is often solution. The time complexity and the space complexity also we need to tackle, right? So for that time and space complexity, best efficient solution would be a binary search. So you always search where start less than or equal to your end, and we compute the midpoint as always, which is start plus end minus start by 2, and once I do that, then I need to find if my array of this midpoint is equal to the mid. Either that could be the condition, or if array of mid can be less than the mid. Or else if array of mid can be greater than the mid, and this is a sorted array. So whenever I need to use binary search approach, it has to be if it is a sorted array. It cannot be applied to an array if things are not sorted. No, that is very hard to search like that. So here always make sure in the question is a sorted array. Mid plus 1, here end pointer will be mid, and that was wrong, mid minus 1, and start should be mid plus 1. So now when I run and submit, it does work properly and it's perfect. So this is the simple logic of the binary search. You have a start pointer, an end pointer, and then go over it and see the different conditions, whether a array of mid is less than the mid, in which case start pointer is moved, and otherwise the end pointer is moved. Otherwise we check if the start is equal to array of length, and then if array of start not equal to start, then return -1, else return start. I hope this was helpful, and see you again in another video. Thank you.